walang ibang term dito kung hindi binalahura eh. Kasi anong training nila chika on disbursement?
Mhm.
Sabi ng malinaw naman doon sa tanong kanina na hindi pwedeng i-delegate nitong si Acosta yung kanyang role as a special disbursing officer kasi nga siya lang naman yung bounded. How do we check
Mhm.
La Chica?
Mhm.
Ano,
Mhm.
we should just entrust him for it.
Oo.
125 million. Bigay mo na lang ng buong buo and we should just trust his word kasi wala nang pwedeng tumingin sa kanyang iba kasi sabi niya siya yung implementor so hindi natin alam kung saan dinala ni Colonel La Chica yun, no?
Oo.
And no one can verify what kahit anong mangyari kasi nga hindi naman pwede tinan ng special disbursing officer naman pala kung anong ginawa niya doon kasi sabi niya siya nag-implement siya confidential eh.
Mhm.
So wala
Mhm.
akong magagawa. Utos si
Mhm.
Vice President Sara Duterte. Are we making um, a head of security group as powerful as that when it comes to public money?
Oo.
Ganun na lang yon. Talaga bang, ito yung isa pang tanong, talaga bang may ganitong intelligence operation of this magnitude during Christmas? 125 million pesos?
Mhm.
Kasi kung ako lang, nagtataka lang ako, no, and I have a master's in national security law, kung ganito karaming pera ang gumagalaw for a security operation, mahahalata yun eh. Magiging hindi na siya security operation eh. Masyadong malaking pera, 125 million pesos in 11 days. Anong klaseng security operation to? I doubt that the NBI, even the ESAF, meron silang ganito kalaking security operation wherein they will spend 125 million pesos in 11 days, no? At saka, anong training ng mga mandato nitong mga opisina na to? Civilian agencies sila,
Mhm.
tapos sila
Mhm.
yung nagkakandak ng ganitong klaseng security operation. At para saan yung security operation na yun? Ang laki naman ng intelligence gathering na to, no?
Mhm.
At saka sa akin talagang kathang isip and fairy tale na boss, may mga operatiba.
Mhm.
Kakandak ako
Mhm.
ng ng intelligence gathering, security operation. Meron akong finalo na 48 for the last 48 hours. Sinundan ko para mag-intelligence gathering. Ang kabayaran ko pahingi naman by Jessic.